Alright guys, I'm off out for a few jars. I don't know what it is. My knob's like it's on fire. I must have caught something. You know, because I've had 3 walks. Yeah, my knob don't seem right at the moment. Seems a bit sore. So I must have caught something. I might have to go back to the sex clinic. Yeah. Unless spraying that stuff on my warts, 3 warts, has made my knob sore. Sounds like my bell end's sore. Yeah, it don't seem right. It's probably the stingness of the warts, isn't it? Yeah. But on this channel, yeah. I mean, I seem to piss all right. Probably I've got gonorrhea. Is it gonorrhea? I might have that. I don't know. You know, it probably could have sprayed stuff on my warts. It's made me knob sore. Why is my bell end sore? I don't know. Something's not happening down there, so I'll have to cancel Saturday night. I'll have to tell Adam tomorrow I'm going to cancel Saturday night. I'll have to cancel Saturday night, you lads. Because I'm not right below, am I? I'll have to go back to the sex clinic. I do, don't I? Yeah.